If LDPlayer keeps crashing on your PC, closing unexpectedly, or freezing during use, don't worry. This is usually caused by corrupted files, graphics issues, or system conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer keeps crashing on PC step by step in 2026. First, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary system errors that may be causing LDPlayer to crash. Next, right-click LDPlayer and select *Run as administrator ***. This ensures the emulator has full permission to run without restrictions. Now check your system resources. Open Task Manager and make sure your CPU and RAM are not fully overloaded. Close unnecessary programs running in the background. If the crashing continues, update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common reasons LDPlayer becomes unstable. Next, open LDPlayer settings and switch the graphics rendering mode between *OpenGL* and DirectX**. Sometimes changing this option can instantly stop crashes. You should also make sure Virtualization (VT) is enabled in BIOS. Without VT, LDPlayer may become unstable or crash during heavy tasks. Now disable conflicting Windows features like *Hyper-V***, Windows Hypervisor Platform**, and Virtual Machine Platform**, then restart your PC. If the problem continues, clear LDPlayer cache files or temporary data that may be corrupted and affecting performance. Next, lower your resolution and CPU RAM allocation in LDPlayer settings if your system is struggling to handle high-performance settings. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website to fix damaged program files. And that's how to fix LDPlayer keeps crashing on PC. Yeah, in most cases, updating drivers, adjusting settings, or reinstalling the emulator will solve the issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.